Nigeria is located on Earth? Or have you ever wondered the countries that surround her? Well, in this lesson, we're going to find out about the location and size of Nigeria and about the geographical features present in Nigeria. My name is Bensika Hannah, and I welcome you to another interesting history lesson. Our theme for today is Pre-Colonial Nigeria 1, while our topic is Land and People of Nigeria Part 1. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe the following geographical features of Nigeria, which include the coastal regions, the forest regions, and the Savannah regions. Also, you should be able to list and explain the physical features of Nigeria's geography. Nigeria is Africa's most populous nation, and it is made up of diverse people and diverse cultures. In Nigeria, we have over 500 languages, we have over 160 million people, and we have over 250 ethnic groups. Nigeria is blessed with so many geographical features, and she's also blessed with mineral and non-mineral resources. And this sets her apart among her peers, that is, other West African countries such as Ghana, Burkina Faso, and the likes. Now, let us look at the location and size of Nigeria. Nigeria is located in West Africa. And from the map on our screen, we can see that Nigeria shares boundary with Cameroon Republic to the east, Niger Republic to the north, Benin Republic to the west, and the South Atlantic Ocean to the south. It is also very important for us to know that Nigeria has two main seasons, which are the dry and rainy seasons. In Nigeria, we have more land area than water. Nigeria has a total land space of 923,768 square kilometers, while she has over 13,000 square kilometers of water. Nigeria lies between latitude 4 degrees north and 14 degrees north of the equator, and is also between longitude 3 degrees east and 15 degrees east of the Greenwich meridian. Latitudes and longitudes are invisible lines that help us identify a place using geometrical coordinates. Longitudes are imaginary lines that run from top of the earth to the bottom, that is, from north to south. And the lines of longitude are also called the meridian. The first standard meridian is the prime meridian. Latitude lines circle the globe from east to west directions. It measures how far north or south a specific point lies from the equator. The latitude lines are also known as parallel lines. The equator in 0 degrees separates the Earth into the northern and southern hemisphere. We've just looked at the location and size of Nigeria. Now let us go on to look at the geographical features that are present in Nigeria. In Nigeria, we have three main regions, and they are the coastal region, the forest region, and the Savannah region. The coastal region refers to the land areas that are close to the sea, which also includes large inland lakes. From the images on our screen, we can see that there is land and there's water. So, such areas where we have land and water are known as coastal regions. In Nigeria, some of the states in the coastal region include Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Cross River, Delta, Lagos, Rivers, and so on. In these areas, the level of rainfall is on the high side, while there's a very short period of dry season. In these areas, we can find mangrove swamps, freshwater swamps, sandbars, and so on. The next region we have in Nigeria is the forest region. It refers to a very large area of land that is covered by trees. We can see from our images what a forest region looks like. In the forest region, we have three types of rainforests, and they are the mangrove swamp forest, freshwater swamp forest, and tropical rainforests. Let's take a look at these rainforests one after the other, starting with the mangrove swamp forests. From the images on our screen, we can say that mangroves are a group of trees and shrubs that grow in coastal saline or brackish water. In a mangrove forest, mangroves are the major trees found in such a place, and then we can find them in coastal areas. Remember, we said that in coastal areas, we can find freshwater swamps and we can also find mangrove swamps. So, in coastal areas, we can find the mangrove swamp forests. The mangrove swamp forest is a home to different plants, animals, and other organisms, and it is also characterized by a high level of rainfall. It is important for us to know that mangroves are found in all coastal states of Nigeria, and some of the states include River States, Cross River State, and so on. The next rainforest we have is the freshwater swamp forests. Freshwater swamp forests are slow-moving streams or rivers that host different trees, animals, and plants, and these areas are also characterized by a high level of rainfall. We can find this type of forest in areas like Akwa Ibom State, Lagos State, Rivers State, and so on. The next type of rainforest we'll be looking at for this class is the tropical rainforest. In this type of forest, there is usually a high level of rainfall, and it occurs in tropical regions. Due to the high level of rainfall, trees occur in layers in this type of forest. As we can see from the image on our screen, the trees in the rainforest occur in different layers, or we can say different levels. We can see that some trees are larger or longer than some others, and these trees occur in 4 layers. We have the forest floor, the understory layer, the canopy layer, and the emergent layer. The emergent layers are the tallest trees in the rainforest, and they are followed by the canopy layers next to the understory layer and the forest floor. The trees on the forest floor are those ones that exist on the floor. So these are the layers that exist in the tropical rainforests. The tropical rainforest is characterized by the presence of trees, high rainfall, hot weather, and humidity. Some states where we can find the tropical rainforests include Bayelsa, Rivers, Ekiti, and so on. The next region we'll be looking at is the Savannah region. The Savannah region is mainly made up of grasses with a few trees. Unlike the forest region where we have lots of trees, in the Savannah region we have less trees but more of grasses. The Savannah region experiences hot and wet seasons and is also interchanged with cool and dry seasons. Now, there are 3 subzones in the Savannah region, and they are the Guinea Savannah, the Sudan Savannah, and the Sahel Savannah. Let's take a look at them one after the other, starting with the Guinea Savannah. The Guinea Savannah is also divided into the Southern Savannah and the Northern Savannah. In the Southern Savannah, dry seasons are less intense and shorter compared to the Northern Savannah. During the dry season in the Southern Guinea Savannah, there's usually an occurrence of fire. However, the trees in this area have adapted to this fire by possessing a thick fire-resistant bark or barks. We can find this type of savanna in the following states in Nigeria, and they are Kwara State, Osun State, Oyo State, and so on. Now, let's take a look at the Northern Guinea Savannah. The Northern Guinea Savannah is dominated by grasses and few trees and shrubs. As we can see from our images, the trees in this region are shorter, thorny, and fewer when compared to the trees in the Southern Guinea Savannah. This type of savanna is found in parts of Benue, Kogi, and Kaduna states. The next type of savanna we'll be looking at is the Sudan Savannah. The Sudan Savannah is a region that is covered with grass and a few drought-resistant trees. When we talk about drought-resistant trees, we're referring to trees that can exist without much water. In this region, the dry season lasts for about 6 to 8 months, and rainfall in this region is not very high. This type of savanna can be found in Kano and in some parts of Adamawa, Borno, Kebbi, and so on. Finally, we'll be looking at the Sahel Savannah. This type of savanna is a semi-arid region, which means to say that it is dry, but there's more rainfall in this area when compared to an arid region. In this region, there are clumps of short grasses and a few grasses and thorny trees. In this region also, the dry season lasts for about 8 months. This type of savanna is found in states like Borno and Yobe states that are close to Lake Chad. We have just looked at the main geographical features in Nigeria. So now we're going to look at the physical features that are present in Nigeria. These physical features include rivers, highlands, and lowlands. And these physical features determine the occupation and way of life of the people in such areas. We shall be looking at rivers as our first physical feature. A river is a large amount of natural flowing water which flows into an ocean, sea, or into another river. Rivers can be deep and wide or shallow. In Nigeria, we have two major rivers and they are rivers Niger and Benue. These two rivers meet in Lokoja in Kogi State. And it is important for us to know that where two rivers meet is called a confluence. So the confluence town in Nigeria is Lokoja because rivers Niger and Benue meet in Lokoja. It is also important for us to know that River Niger forms a delta along the coast, and this delta is known as the Niger Delta. It is the 9th largest delta in the world. You may be wondering what a delta is, right? I'll tell you what it is. A delta is a wetland that empties its water into another water body, such as an ocean, a lake, or river. Nigeria is also blessed with other rivers, and some of them include Calabar, Taraba, and so on. The next physical feature we'll be looking at is highlands. Highlands refer to any raised portion of land that is above sea level and it is higher than the surrounding land. Examples of highlands include hills, plateaus, and mountains. The beautiful thing about highlands is that they serve as a natural form of defense for people in this region against external attacks. Some of the famous highlands in Nigeria include Adamawa Highlands, the Mambila Plateau located in Taraba State, the Jos Plateau located in Plateau State, Obudu Plateau located in Cross River, Idanre Hills located in Ondo, Udi Hills located in Enugu, and Shere Hills, which is also located in Plateau States. And lastly, we'll be looking at lowlands. Lowlands are areas where there are no mountains or hills. And in this area, the land is near or below sea level. The lowlands in Nigeria include Borno Plains, the Cross River Plains, the Niger-Benue Trail, the Sokoto Plains, and lots more. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. But before we go, let's take a quick summary on all we've learned so far. In today's lesson, we've learned that the Federal Republic of Nigeria is located in West Africa and has a total land area of 923,768 square kilometers, including about 13,000 square kilometers of water. Also, we learned that the three main geographical regions include the coastal region, the forest region, and the savanna region. And lastly, we looked at the physical features in Nigeria, and they include rivers, highlands, and lowlands. This brings us to our test section. Question 1. Which of the following options refer to the land area that is close to the sea? Option A, coastal region. Option B, mangrove forests. Option C, savanna region. Or option D, lowland region. The correct answer is option A. Coastal region refers to the land area that is close to the sea. Question 2. A raised portion of land that is above sea level is called option A, highland, option B, lowland, option C, water body, or option D, savanna. The correct answer is option A. A raised portion of land that is above sea level is called highland. With this, I hope you're now able to discuss the main geographical features and the physical features present in Nigeria. Until we meet in the second part of this lesson, it's bye for now.